Our today's video on a special topic. Are whole eggs or yolks good or bad for you? Find out now. Toadies. Eggs, encompassing the yolk, present themselves as generally nutritious and conducive to health. They often elevate your cholesterol levels, but this is typically the good kind of cholesterol. Furthermore, they can exert a positive influence on bad cholesterol, contributing to safeguarding your overall well-being. The question surrounding the nutritional value and potential health risks of whole eggs can evoke varying responses, depending on whom you consult. On one side of the spectrum, they are hailed as an excellent and cost-effective source of protein and a myriad of essential nutrients. Conversely, some individuals harbor concerns that the consumption of egg yolks could heighten the risk of heart disease. So, do eggs constitute a boon or a bane to your health? This article will delve into both perspectives on this debate. Question came some people's mind. Why are eggs sometimes labeled as unhealthy? Let's find out. Whole eggs can be dissected into two primary components. Egg white, the white part of the egg, predominantly composed of protein. Egg yolk, the yellow or orange portion, brimming with nutrients. Historically, eggs were stigmatized as unhealthy primarily due to the elevated cholesterol content present in their yolks. Cholesterol, a waxy substance, is found in various foods and is also synthesized by your body. A few decades ago, extensive studies established a connection between high blood cholesterol levels and heart disease. In 1961, the American Heart Association advocated for limiting dietary cholesterol intake, a recommendation that was subsequently endorsed by numerous international health organizations. In response to this advice, egg consumption declined globally as many people opted for cholesterol-free egg substitutes promoted as healthier alternatives. Summary. For several decades, eggs were believed to pose a risk to heart health due to their high cholesterol content. Before we eat egg, one common question comes out in our mind is eggs bad for cholesterol? Let's find out the truth about cholesterol in eggs. It is undeniable that whole eggs, yolks included, are rich in cholesterol. In fact, they constitute a substantial source of dietary cholesterol in the standard American diet. 100 grams of 2 large whole eggs contain approximately 4.8 milligrams of cholesterol, whereas the same amount of 30% fat ground beef contains around 78 milligrams. Until recently, the recommended daily limit for dietary cholesterol intake was set at 300 milligrams, with even stricter recommendations for individuals with existing heart conditions. However, based on the latest research findings, many health organizations around the world have rescinded their previous restrictions on dietary cholesterol. For the first time in decades, the Dietary Guidelines for Americans, released in December 2015, omitted specifying an upper daily limit for dietary cholesterol intake. Despite this change, concerns about egg consumption linger because people have been conditioned to associate high dietary cholesterol intake with elevated blood cholesterol levels and a heightened risk of heart disease. So the summary is, 2 large whole eggs contain 4.8 milligrams of cholesterol, exceeding the long-standing daily limit. However, dietary cholesterol restrictions have been relaxed in light of recent research. How egg consumption affects blood cholesterol. Despite the apparent logic that dietary cholesterol would lead to elevated blood cholesterol levels, this connection is not as straightforward as it may seem. Your liver plays a pivotal role in cholesterol production because cholesterol is an essential nutrient for your body's functions. When you consume larger quantities of high cholesterol foods like eggs, your liver actually reduces its endogenous cholesterol production, as a significant portion is now sourced from your diet. Conversely, if you consume less cholesterol from food, your liver compensates by producing more. This dynamic results in minimal changes in blood cholesterol levels for most individuals when they increase their dietary cholesterol intake. In a comprehensive, well-designed study, individuals with early signs of age-related macular degeneration who consumed egg yolks daily for a year did not experience significant changes in total cholesterol, LDL, bad cholesterol, HDL, good cholesterol, or the total cholesterol to HDL ratio, a crucial marker of heart disease risk. Nevertheless, one review of well-executed studies on healthy individuals found that consuming foods rich in cholesterol led to increased levels of both LDL and HDL cholesterol, with the LDL to HDL ratio remaining constant compared to the control group. Similarly, in another study, individuals who consumed 3 eggs for 13 weeks exhibited higher levels of total cholesterol, HDL, and LDL cholesterol compared to those who took only a choline supplement. However, the HDL to LDL ratio remained unaltered, leading to the conclusion that cholesterol-rich foods may regulate cholesterol production to maintain the favorable HDL to LDL ratio. Furthermore, it's important to acknowledge that cholesterol is not inherently detrimental to health. It plays essential roles in various bodily processes, including the production of vitamin D, steroid hormones, such as estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone, and bile acids, which aid in fat digestion. Additionally, cholesterol constitutes a fundamental component of every cell membrane in your body, essential for survival. And the summary is, eating eggs or other cholesterol-rich foods typically leads to reduced cholesterol production by the liver, resulting in minimal changes in blood cholesterol levels. Cholesterol is integral to numerous bodily functions. Please note, this video made for journal information and it is not a doctor advice. So it is recommended that please do consult your doctor or dietitian before implementation. In this article, author tried to cover all the aspects related this eggs yolk good or bad topic, and can find the link in description to know more about question like: do eggs elevate the risk of heart disease? Do eggs increase the risk of diabetes? The relationship between eggs and cholesterol? Genetic factors and egg consumption. Relationship between eggs and diabetes? Eggs, a nutrient powerhouse. Health benefits of eggs. Guidelines for egg consumption. Plant-based eggs. Thanks for watching.